Dropshipping has become a popular topic of conversation for those interested in starting an online business. Many believe that it is the best way to begin. However, over the past few years, there are a lot of questions that came up about its effectiveness. The rise of popularity of dropshipping can be attributed to e-commerce gurus and influencers. Starting an online business can be challenging, especially when you opt for dropshipping. Although it can be profitable, several risks can lead to disastrous results, especially for beginners. That's why we decided to switch to Dropservicing, and the results have been incredible. With just one client and 1 hour of work per month, we are making a steady income of $8,200 per month. So if you're looking for a profitable and safe alternative to dropshipping, Dropservicing might just be the right choice for you. Unfortunately, as more people enter the dropshipping space, competition increases. This increase in competition has resulted in higher advertising costs as well as a saturation of the market. As a result, dropshipping is not as lucrative as it was a few years ago. The natural question that comes up is what to do next. Should you enter into dropshipping and compete with all these people, or should you look into something else? This is where Dropservicing comes into play. Selling physical products through dropshipping involves getting your manufacturer to send the product directly to your customer. Dropservicing, on the other hand, involves selling digital service instead of physical products, but the process remains pretty similar. The question that arises is which option is better, dropshipping or Dropservicing? In this video, we will analyze and provide insights into this question. Let's start by discussing the disadvantages of dropshipping. When you use dropshipping, you lose control over the quality of the product. After receiving an order, the manufacturer sends the product directly to the customer, meaning you cannot check the product for a defect. This lack of control over product quality is a crucial drawback because it can harm your online business. It's important to sell high quality products if you want to build a successful online business. Selling low quality products can result in customers never buying from you again, which is not sustainable in the long run, okay? Additionally, dissatisfied customers are likely to share their negative experiences with your product online, which can harm your business's reputation as well. Acquiring a new customer is more expensive than retaining an existing one, so it's crucial to satisfy every single customer to increase your repeat customer rate. If you don't focus on customer satisfaction, your business may not grow and may even decline over time. Although a lack of control over product quality is significant, it's not the only reason to avoid dropshipping. Let's move on to the second reason. The second reason is that you don't have any control over the delivery times. So let's say you're selling a product that's also available on Amazon and your estimated delivery time is 2 weeks. Amazon can probably deliver the same product in just 2 days. In the long run, your business won't be able to survive because customers are smart. They'll eventually find out that Amazon has the same product for a cheaper price and faster delivery, and they'll prefer to do business with Amazon instead of you. The only way to deal with long delivery times is to maintain your stock and store it in a fulfillment facility near your customers. However, this is not really drop shipping anymore. The lack of control over branding is the third downside of dropshipping. Unless you're placing big orders and contacting manufacturers to request branding, you will have no say over branding. This is especially true if you're only sourcing a few orders per day. Branding is crucial to creating customer loyalty and repeat business, and having strong brand assets can increase the value of your business significantly. The fourth downside of dropshipping is that it's a short-lived and unsustainable business model. Dropshipping relies on selling popular products, which can quickly become oversaturated with competition, resulting in decreased sales. This is not a long-term lucrative business idea. It's challenging to find profitable products and even more difficult to sell them profitably, as ad costs are typically high and profit margins are low. Moving on to Dropservicing, there are several benefits to this business model, but before that, I would love to congratulate you for watching the video so far. We have learned about the downsides that you could face when starting dropshipping, and my job is not to discourage you, but it is just to help you find a better alternative when it comes to starting your online business. A business with low risk and high reward, and with unlimited potential. And with this, let's get into the benefits you face with Dropservicing, which will give you the freedom of time and money that you have always wanted. You are in charge of the quality of your service, which means you have complete control over it. You can inspect the service before delivering it to the customer. For instance, if you are in the custom portrait niche and you produce custom portrait illustrations, you can have a quality control team to assess the illustration or portrait before sending it to the customer. This way, you can ensure that it meets your quality standards. Once you're satisfied with the product or service, you can send it to the customer. It's crucial because it gives you full control over the quality of the product or service you offer. So if you do your job correctly, every customer will potentially be satisfied and they will share their positive experience online. They may even post about your brand on social media, tag you, and tell others about your business. This can lead to more people visiting your page and potentially placing orders with you. Word of mouth is one of the most effective marketing strategies, and it all starts with delivering high quality service and ensuring customer satisfaction. Let's talk about even more advantages of drop servicing. Firstly, there's no need to send a physical product to the customer, so your service is instantly delivered once done. Think about it. You just email or upload the service to the cloud and the customer receives it right away. You don't have to worry about logistics and lost products. This is a significant advantage. Secondly, you have full control over branding, including your website and on all the deliverables. With no physical product or packaging involved, you can brand everything there is. Thirdly, drop servicing allows you to build a sustainable business that is based on customer satisfaction. Repeat customer rate is crucial in an online business. The more customers you can retain, the more profitable your business will be. By having complete control over customer satisfaction, you can build a meaningful and worthwhile business that will stand the test of time. Thanks for watching this video about drop servicing. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your drop servicing business to the next level, I hope you found the information helpful and valuable. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.